filling in your requirement integration is very, very simple. As you see here, you'll start off in the off position, just like a little light switch here for the integration. So we want to turn this on. And once you've turned that on, you'll be able to add your requirement type. So on the right-hand side, you just click Add Requirement Type. And you're able to choose which workspace or project from Rally that your requirements are brought in from. Now you can select multiple projects for your requirements to come in to this one qTest project. So I can select any of these here. And then my object type is my user story. That's what's in there in that particular workspace. And then I just hit OK. And there we go. So I have 2 different workspaces for my defect integration and 2 different workspaces for my requirements. And I'm happy with this here, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and save. And then I want to make sure that I retrieve all of my Rally data for my requirements. Again, this is a one-time retrieve, okay? So you're going to do your one-time fetch for your defects, and you do your one-time retrieve for your requirements. After this one time, you'll have the connection be automatic for you, so you will not have to go back in and do this as you're testing in qTest. So see, I have all of my requirements have been retrieved. I hit OK. And then once I'm done, I can just save and activate and close out. And here's my connection. Now, as I go back into qTest, one last thing that you'll want to keep in mind is your organization of your requirements and your defect mapping. If you're unhappy with anything or there are any changes that you need to make, all you have to do is go to the little wrench icon for any existing connection, and you can come back in here and make any necessary changes that you need to make to your connection within this one qTest project. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you need any more information on your connections for your Rally integration, you can find help on our support site and the documentation on Tricentis.com.